called as neutralization.
సార్ చెప్పండి మేడం గారు బోర్డు మీద.
యాసిడ్ బేస్ రెండింటిని కలిపినప్పుడు ఏం జరుగుతుంది? న్యూట్రలైజేషన్ అనేటువంటి ఒక కొత్త రియాక్షన్ జరిగి దానివల్ల ఏం ఫామ్ అవుతాయి? వాటరు, సాల్ట్ అనేవి ఫామ్ అవుతాయి. ఇక్కడ మనం సిట్రిక్ యాసిడ్ అనేటువంటి ఒక యాసిడ్ తీసుకున్నాం. సిట్రిక్ యాసిడ్, ఇట్ ఈస్ సిట్రిక్ యాసిడ్. It is present in citrus fruits. I have taken one lemon. This is lemon juice. I will add calcium hydroxide, means lime water. Both are mixed together. Both are mixed together. There is another substances are, new substances are formed. Those are water and salt. The sediment is salt. The upper part is water. Both are mixed together. See, this is visible. In the lower part there is a sediment, that is a salt. In the upper layer is water. This is one reaction. There is another reaction, that is with phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein is a indicator. It is a indicator like China rose, turmeric. This is also a litmus paper. This is also a indicator. ఇది ఒక రకమైనటువంటి ఇండికేటర్. ఇండికేటర్ మీన్స్ ఏంటి? యాసిడ్ తో ఒక కలర్ ఇవ్వచ్చు, బేస్ తో ఒక కలర్ ఇవ్వచ్చు అన్నమాట. This is hydrochloric acid. This is hydrochloric acid. I have added some drops of phenolphthalein. Is there any color? No color. There is no color. Phenolphthalein indicator does not give any color with acid. This is sodium hydroxide. This is sodium hydroxide. It is a base. It is a base. I have mixed phenolphthalein reagent indicator with base. Wow, there is a pleasant color. What is that? Pink color. See, all of you, this is wonderful color appears, that is pink color. So we can conclude that phenolphthalein indicator gives color only with base, not with acid.